In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Fiverr gig for data entry. If you want to attract the right buyers and present your service professionally, the setup of your gig really matters. We're going to walk through the core sections you need to complete so your listing is clear, searchable, and easy for clients to understand. Start by signing in to your Fiverr account and switching to seller mode. Once you are there, go to My Business. Then open the Gig section and begin creating a new gig. This is where you will build the listing that buyers will see, so take your time and make sure each part is filled out carefully. Next, create your gig title. Choose the right category, and add search tags. Your title should be simple, specific, and keyword-rich. And it should begin with I will. A strong example would be, I will do accurate Excel data entry and copy-paste work. This makes your offer immediately clear and helps with search visibility. For the category, choose data as the main category and data entry as the subcategory. Then add 3 to 5 precise search tags, such as data entry, Excel, copy-paste, web research, and virtual assistant. These tags help Fiverr understand what your gig is about and improve your chances of being discovered by buyers. After that, set up your pricing and service packages. In the basic tier, offer a smaller amount of work, like 100 entries or 1 hour of work, with delivery in 1 day, priced around $5 to $10. In the standard tier, offer a medium scope such as 500 entries or 5 hours of work, delivered in 2 days, priced around $25 to $50. In the premium tier, include a larger scope, like 0 entries or more advanced spreadsheet cleaning, with delivery in 3 to 5 days, priced at $100 or more. The goal here is to make each package clearly different, so buyers can quickly choose the level that fits their needs. Then write your description. Explain exactly what services you offer, such as PDF to Excel conversion, data cleaning, or web research. You should also mention the tools you use, like Excel, Google Sheets, or CRM software, and highlight your commitment to accuracy. A clear description builds trust and reduces confusion before an order is placed. Now set your requirements. Add mandatory buyer questions so you receive the source files, clear instructions, and the target format before starting. This helps prevent delays and makes the workflow smoother for both you and the client. Finally, upload your gallery items. Add a clean, professional thumbnail image, which you can create using a tool like Canva. You can also include sample PDF documents that show neat, organized spreadsheet work. Once everything looks good, click Publish Gig. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.